The order you apply for credit cards matters because every approval changes your credit profile before the next application. Starting with the right card can make later approvals much easier than applying randomly. By the end of this video, you'll know the smartest application order whether you're starting with no credit, rebuilding after mistakes, or already have a solid credit history. If you have no credit history, start with a secured credit card if you can't qualify for a traditional card. If you can qualify for a beginner unsecured card, apply for that first instead. Either option gives you a chance to establish on-time payment history and build a positive credit file. Use that first card responsibly before thinking about another application. Pay every statement on time, keep your balance low, and avoid applying for multiple cards within a short period. Lenders like to see that you can manage existing credit before extending more. Once you've established a positive history, your next card should fill a different purpose. If your first card earns no rewards, look for a cash-back card. If you travel regularly, a travel rewards card may make more sense. The goal is to expand your available credit while adding benefits you'll actually use. If you're rebuilding after missed payments or collections, don't start with premium rewards cards. Focus on getting approved for a card designed for rebuilding credit. Use it consistently, and let your payment history improve before applying for more competitive products. If you already have good credit, apply for the card that's hardest to qualify for before applying for easier options. A strong credit profile gives you the best chance of approval, and adding several new accounts first can make later applications less attractive to lenders. Regardless of your situation, avoid submitting several applications on the same day unless you understand each issuer's approval policies. Every application may create a hard inquiry, and too many recent applications can reduce your approval chances. Also think about why you're opening each account. A card should solve a specific need, whether that's building credit, earning rewards, lowering interest costs, or increasing your available credit. Applying without a clear reason usually creates unnecessary risk. Here's the simple order to remember. Start with the easiest card you can realistically qualify for. Build a strong payment history, then move to cards that offer better rewards or additional benefits as your credit profile improves. Your next step is to check your current credit profile before applying for anything new. Choose one card that matches where you are today, and if this helped, like the video and subscribe for more practical credit tips.